It's 1:38 a.m. and my friends from Bangalore. So we are. I told you right, many locations from Bangalore, Delhi. So what Bangalore people are doing is they're playing Uno and they're calling others who are awake. So I'm gonna go. Let's go.
So we were playing Uno, and then that's it for the previous night. So in the morning when I woke up, it was the breakfast. So I had curd rice. Then there was paneer ki sabzi. It was really yum, and shockingly, Karela potato chips was too good. And sorted vegetables also I had, two chapatis and fries. This is what I had, and for
Guys, I'm finally ready, and now I'm leaving. This is my outfit. I didn't get time, so I'm shooting it now. So
so they simply
guys,
hyped up that everyone has reached, but no one was there.
this is my outfit. This is I am. I'm gonna wear dupatta also.
For my hair, Diamond Jubilee Park.
कल जो देखा था वही
I think so, yeah. इसे Diamond Building नहीं देखी थी कल? I think वहाँ hang हो गया। Bro, मेरा फोन बहुत गर्म है, overheat हो गया है। बहुत टेम्परेचर, बहुत गर्मी है। आइडिया नहीं था मुझे इतनी गर्मी होती है। पसीने में गर्मी आ रही है। मतलब मुझे गर्मी लगी।
and it was already very heavy, and then we had to wear down. It was very heavy, but then we headed to the auditorium, and now we have to sit and enjoy our day.
श्रीकांत मेरी वीडियो
बीजल चिराग शाह, वृंदावन पंडा।
कॉन्वोकेशन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग ऑन माई वे टू रूम सो लेट्स गो नाउ सो विल सी जूस अभी हम जा रहे हैं डिनर करने एंड कॉस्ट्यूम पहना है लेट्स गो टू माय डिनर पार्टी. This is the international block where we stay. This is the garden and वो वाइट लाइट दिख रही है वहाँ पे जाना है हमें. नेक्स्ट टू द पार्क अभी भीड़ कम है तो अभी ले जाते हैं रीच्ड अर्ली मतलब ऑन टाइम. So now we're gonna walk.
So guys, it's 1:15 a.m. and the campus का food is still on, and I think दूसरा campus में 2 बजे तक भी खाना था, and yeah, it's I think 2 to 3 now, and we are having it.
So basically, what happened was that he used to like travel with his suitcase.
So I'll tell you how my day went. So since we didn't sleep, I mean when we were on the flight, hardly 2 to 3 hours we slept. So we woke up late, and I think I got up around 10:30, 11:30, and after that we went for lunch down. And lunch के बाद सीधा everyone got ready, and then they started. So few of them who got up were really early. They went and had a look around campus, and but I didn't do that. So मैं बस लंच किया. I got ready, and then people told okay now we had to be there by this time, but nobody was there. So few people were waiting, and then few left because they knew it's going to take time. So everyone was coming at their own pace individually rather than going in a group. So when I got down, there was people who were having heavy saris. So then we clubbed in and we went by cab, and after cab सीधा because वो sun भी बहुत है जमशेदपुर में. It was too sunny and we were literally sweating. So after that what we did was the वहाँ पे रुके, we attended the session. It was really nice. Chief guest की speech was too good. and then we came back, and आते समय we came walking यहाँ वहाँ pictures लेके, and then after coming back I changed to normal clothes. Then I had dinner, and after dinner, like what happened was, here in Jamshedpur inside the campus there are cycles kept. You can use that cycle, and so we were cycling around, and then we were speaking, walking, then late night with snacks. And shockingly, there are restaurants open till 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Here inside the campus. We have, I think, around 3 4 I mean, till I know, I have not explored everything. 2 3 canteen foods, and then there is a souvenir shop where you get t-shirts, water bottle, mug. So there are two type, like round neck and a collar one. So वो सब है. And after that, yes, now it's 4:30, and I'm going to sleep now. And tomorrow I have flight. So I was packing my stuff. Everything is packed. So I'll just have my breakfast, and then we have a bus to board at 10:30 in the morning. So yes, now I'm gonna sleep. And my roommate is still not here, so I thought to wait for her, but I think it's gonna take time, or maybe she would sleep somewhere else. So bye bye, guys. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe.